We'll guide you through how to block emails in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in your inbox, find an email from the sender you want to block. Open that email by clicking on it. In the top right corner of the email, you'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the More Options icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Block Sender's Name and click it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know that future messages from this sender will be marked as spam. Click Block to confirm. This will ensure that any new emails from this sender will automatically go to your spam folder, keeping your inbox clean. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock a sender, you can easily do so by opening another email from them, clicking the 3 dots, and selecting Unblock Sender's Name. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to maintain control over who gets to send you emails. Remember that blocking a sender does not delete existing emails, so you may want to manually delete any unwanted emails from your inbox or archive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.